So the Minister talks about spelling it out. I'll spell it out again for you, Minister. People are struggling with a cost of living crisis, and you don't get that. People with disabilities or care needs are particularly struggling, and you don't get that. And the way we know that you don't get that is because there are people, vulnerable people, who need blister packs to get by in their day-to-day lives, to have some semblance of independence, currently get those blister packs free of charge. And your Scrooge-like government, through your Scrooge-like minister, are going to charge them 20, 30, maybe even €50 a month come the new year. So what I'm asking you, Minister, is to finally get it. Finally get live to the fact that people are going through really tough times, and rather than a kick in the teeth from government, they need a little bit of support, and what they need above all is that the supports that are currently in place aren't removed. So you didn't answer my question directly, and I'll ask you again. Please will you give assurance to those people who rely on blister packs that you will not impose these charges in January, that you will finally hear the cries that are coming into all of our constituency offices for just a little bit of understanding on the part of this out-of-touch government.
Minister.
Thanks, Les Concora. Deputy Carthy, you do a very good job of pretending that you have a monopoly on people's concerns in this country. But what's the one thing that you never mention is the economy or jobs or anything as to where the actual wealth in the country comes from. I think it's something that your party is incapable of understanding, that the income into this state. I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. The income into this state and its ability to spend money is derived from the strong economy, all of the policies of which you and your party have objected to. And just in relation, sorry, if you. I know it's a tactic that you use. I know, and you do sometimes. Sometimes you do it quite well. Sometimes you do it quite well. But you're actually showing yourself up for trying to shout people down. If you may just listen, you said a while ago that we've done nothing with regard to cost of living measures, and this has been said. Sorry, and like I don't know who the questioner is supposed to be here today, but time and time again you bring this up that the government, in relation to the government's issues with regard to cost of living, and I'm going to put it on the record of the House again because you have already said something that is clearly not true. We're introducing the largest ever child support benefit. We've introduced back to school clothing and footwear allowance. We're increasing the domiciliary care allowance, and as late as yesterday, one of your own party colleagues asked me to hike up the charge for people on their Netflix account. Now, had I done that yesterday, Deputy Carthy, you would be in here today with the same old cant, and with the same old cant as always, that we're not taxing enough.
Thank you, Minister. Please conclude.
Sorry, if I could answer to one. Deputy Carthy, you want your cake and eat it. You want your cake and eat it. You want to tax everybody. You want to tax everybody and pretend you live in a world where everything is free.